Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to give you an idea for a little gift, teacher gift, hostess gift, using a tea towel, and you can use any kind, but I love this vintage look one that I have here, and I made one similar last year at Thanksgiving, but I thought I'd give it a Christmas twist this year. So first of all, I take my tea towel, and you see it's still got the tag on it, and I fold it down to where it's about 5.5 to 6 inches showing here, a fold, okay? So let's see, I've got about 5.5 inches there, okay? And I like that size to work with because I can make the tag big or I can make it narrow. And this year, I've decided to use a piece of real red cardstock that's been stamped with the buffalo check stamp, background stamp from the holiday catalog. And so I'm going to back that with basic black, and it makes it look really dramatic, I think. And so for these two pieces, I have this background piece, and it is cut at 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 by 5 3/4. And then this real red, which if you're using the background stamp, buffalo check, then you would probably like cut it wider and then trim it down to what you need. And so this one is 3.5 by 5.5 to layer over top of that. But say you have some designer paper that you like, you could pick your pattern here and then choose a coordinating solid color cardstock to back it and use that for your tag. So I'm going to go ahead and attach these two together. Okay, we'll just apply this where we have a black border around the edge. Okay, and then that's going to go over top. Now we're going to go ahead and attach that because our embellishments are going to go over the ribbon. So what I do is I take a 1/2 inch circle punch and just come in from the side about the center. I just eyeball it and punch. And then do the same on the other side. And I'm going through both layers of cardstock. It's a little thick, but it works. Okay, and then I have some real red ribbon, and I also thought you could use a burlap ribbon would be pretty, but you just need something to thread through these holes and tie it around the towel to hold it closed in this fold that you have. So let me just bring this around here, and I want to tie a bow, so I'm leaving myself plenty of room here. And I'm just going to cut this off, and then I will go ahead and tie a bow. And like I said, last year I did it for Thanksgiving, and I used the burlap ribbon over a towel. It was a little dish towel, and it turned out really cute. Okay. All right, so there's that ready to go. Okay, so we've got it, and it makes a really cute presentation too. All right, so now I'm just going to use a simple sentiment on the front, and I'm going to use this one from Peaceful Noel from the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. May your Christmas be holly jolly and bright. And so to go along with this linen look of the tea towel, I'm using crumb cake cardstock, and I'm going to use Magenta Black ink and just ink up this sentiment and stamp it on the crumb cake. Okay, I'm going to punch it with a 2-inch circle punch, so I'm coming up from the edge so I have room for the circle. There we go. And so let me get my 2-inch circle punch and just slide this over. Now if you don't have the punches, you could cut with your paper trimmer and make a square or a rectangle and layer those up, okay? Okay, so now I have the sentiment, and I'm going to put a little pizzazz with some glimmer paper So I'm using my 2 1/4 inch circle punch and our gold glimmer paper from the annual catalog. Okay, and I'm just going to take and mount that over top. So I'm going to get my liquid glue again and just place that over top here, just like that. And that gives it some sparkle and shine. And then that's going to go here, but I decided to add a little bit more color. So I have the Joyous Noel glimmer paper in this spruce glimmer from the Stampin' Up! Holiday catalog. And I'm going to take my little leaf punch from the annual catalog and punch 2 out. Okay, so let's take some glue and I'm going to put 1 on either side. Let's see. And the glue will be good to hold it over the buffalo check anyway, so can't put too much. But I want to get these positioned first before I set it down onto the buffalo check. And so let's see, let's do this. Cute. All right, so now let me go ahead and add a little more glue. And then we're just going to center that over top of that ribbon and hold it a bit and let it dry. And then when you present this as a gift, the ribbon can be untied simply and the little tag will slide off very easily. Okay, I hope you'll give that a try. It's a useful and a thoughtful gift, and with your crafting supplies you can make a pretty tag to make a really pretty gift presentation. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at inkandinspirations.com, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.